Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome to our HTML training session. Today we will talk about basic structure of an HTML documents. If you are new to web development, this video is perfect for you. Let's begin. The basic structure of an HTML documents include essential building blocks such as the doctype declaration, HTML, head, title and body elements. These elements together create a web page. Here's how the structure looks. It starts with the doc type followed by HTML, then the head tag which contains the title, and finally the body. Inside the body, we have elements like h1 and p tags. After that, the HTML structure is complete. Let's break it down step by step. Doc type declaration. This defines the document type and the HTML version, which in this case is HTML5. HTML HTML is the root element of the document and encapsulates all content. Head tag. The head tag containing metadata about the documents, such as the character set, the external resources like CSS or JavaScript links. Title tag. The title tag sets the title of the web page, which appear in the browser title bar or tab. Search engine also use it for indexing and enhancing the user experience. Body tag. The body containing all the visible content on the web page, such as heading, image, link, and more. H1 to H6 tag. These are heading tags, with H1 being the largest and most important, and H6 being the smallest. P tag. The P tag creates text, paragraph, and organize content into logical blocks, which improve readability and organization. Let's look at a simple Hello HTML example. As so here, we have HTML, then inside it, there's HTML followed by the head tag. Here, I have written my first HTML page. Below that, I have add hello HTML. This is my first HTML page. We will now see this through an example to understand how it works. So here, I have opened the code editor. Inside it, doctype and HTML. Then the head tag. Inside the head tag, there the title. And inside the body, we have h1 and this paragraph. As you can see, my output looks something like this. Here, it say hello HTML and the paragraph below say this is my first paragraph. Now, I will make a small change. For example, if I type hello Ikra, you will notice it change instantly. See, it's update to hello Ikra. This way we can modify its content. Now, instead of page, I will directly write first HTML web page. So, this is how the paragraph will appear here. This is my first web page. You can see the output here, which say hello HTML followed by this is my first HTML. Since it inside the body, both h1 and p are visible here. Content inside the body appear on the browser. However, anything inside the head except the title does not appear on the web page. The title is displayed at the top as shown here. The basic structure you see here highlights the title, while the body contains content visible on the web page. In this example, the document starts with a declaration that so it's an HTML file. Then inside the HTML structure, we have the head and the body. The head section contains metadata. For example, here it contains a free starter. Then the body section contains visible content like a main heading and a paragraph inside it. Let's see how you can view the HTML source code. The first method to view the source code is by using Ctrl plus U. Now, as soon as I press Ctrl plus U, here you will see that a new tab has opened. Inside it, you can see the source code of the page. Another way is by right clicking. After I right click here and scroll down a bit, look, there's an open called view page source. I will click on it and the source code will open in another tab like this. Now, let's move to inspecting an HTML elements. If you are curious about the specific elements, you can right click on it and use inspect from the construct menu. For example, I want to see what heading is being used here. I will simply right click and select inspect. Look here. This part appears. It's an H5 elements and heading. The text inside it display here. If I make some change here, for example, I directly modify the elements, say change it to normal HTML. It will update immediately. See, this is how you inspect and modify HTML. Now, if I want to make it large, I will do something like changing it to an H1. See, the size has increased. Here, you can view the HTML and CSS associated with it. For example, I change its color to red. Look, now the color has turned red. So, this was about the basic structure of an HTML document. You want to know more, you can ask in the comments. Keep smiling and happy coding. Thank you.